the boys' computer. It's everybody's computer tonight.
I know.
Say hello to Grandma and Dada.
Hello, Grandma and Dada. Hello, Grandma and Dada. I miss you.
I love you, Grandma and Dada.
I miss you. I missed you.
Tommy, you want to say something to Grandma and Dada?
Dada,
I love you.
miss you.
I miss you.
I miss you. I miss you.
How old are you, Dominique?
2.
2.
I miss you, Grandma and Dada. I miss you, Grandma and Dada. I love you. I love you. Mwah. I love you. Mwah. 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 And we have a computer, Grandma.
Rishi's room.
Here's a kiss from Grandma and Dada. My name's Tanae. We did the kissing.
I know you must have had a long day. Cause it looked like I heard you say there was something that was on your mind.
Dominique, where'd you go? There you are.
Oh yeah, that's like how it works. Is this one for Grandma and Dada?
This one's for Grandma and Dada.
Oh.
Here's some color.
In a way, need a change from this burnout scene.
Need a